Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming storage and enabling location. Make sure the iPhone has enough free space, about 0.5 GB minimum for a small region. Open Apple Maps or Google Maps and sign in because saved data links to your account. Next, choose the exact area and zoom level. Higher zoom saves more detail but uses more storage. Tap and hold or use the app Save or Download option to begin. Once started, watch the progress and avoid switching apps to prevent interruptions. Once the download begins, prioritize Wi-Fi to avoid large cellular charges and slower speeds. Many maps are several hundred megabytes to multiple gigabytes. You should name each saved map logically, like city or trip date, so you find it offline quickly. Manage overlapping areas by deleting redundancies to save space. Make sure automatic updates are enabled in apps that support them so maps refresh when you reconnect. If you need multiple regions, download them one at a time to control storage and avoid corrupted files. You finish by testing the offline map. Disable Wi-Fi and cellular, then open the saved map, search a place, and request routing to confirm turn-by-turn works. If something fails, first retry the download on a stable Wi-Fi network, then force quit the app and restart the iPhone. That clears transient errors. Finally, maintain free space. Aim for at least 10% so map tiles can cache. If maps still won't load, delete the specific saved area and re-download it. That usually fixes corrupted data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.